Okay, let's go over example 1, which is finding the surface area of a rectangular prism. And let's remember that the area of a rectangle, to find the area of one rectangle, is the base times the height. Okay, so here's our rectangular prism, and then here's the net of that same rectangular prism. And I've labeled each side, the top and the bottom, and the dimensions too. Okay, so the top, it's the base times the height. So that for the top, the base is 7 inches. So 7 times, and then the height is 4 inches. And I know 7 times 4 is 28. And the bottom is going to be the same thing. The base is 7 times the height, which is, I know it's not labeled directly right there, but 4 inches is labeled on this side. And we know that these two sides actually touch. Right, if we look at, this is the bottom and this is the left side, so these sides touch, so it's actually 4 inches as well. And I know that's 28. Now the front, here's the front, so that's this rectangle right here. Our base is 7 inches, so 7 times and a height of 3. And 7 times 3 is 21. And the back, now wow, nothing's really labeled on there, but we know that this side is 7 inches, so then this side also must be 7 inches times, and then this side, which if this side is 3 inches, that means the opposite side is also 3 inches. So 7 times 3, again, is 21. And then we have both sides. Okay, here's the left side, which is 3 times 4, which is 12. And the right side, which again is 3 times 4. Okay, which is 12. Okay, so that's all cool, but we want to find the total surface area. So to do that, now we need to add up all of these numbers. So surface area, which is 122 inches. And then since we found the area, it's inches squared. So you could write it like that with the little squared up there. Or you could type it 122 squared inches. Either one. Okay, let's look at another one. Here's our rectangular prism. And then here's the net on the right. Okay, and again, I've labeled most of the sides where we could figure out the dimensions. Okay, so the top. So here's the top on our rectangular prism. Okay, and the top on our net. So base is 9. And the height, well, if the bottom of 6 is 6 inches, then this one is also 6 inches. So 9 times 6. I know that's 54. Okay, and the bottom would also be 9 times 6, which is 54. And the front, the base is 9 times 5. So right here's the front on our rectangular prism, and then here's the front on our net. And I know 9 times 5 is 45. And the back is going to be the same dimension, so 9 times 5 is 45. Okay, how about the left side here, which is 6 times 5, right? All of these sides are the same length. So 6 times 5. And I know that's 30. And then the right side, which is also 6 times 5, which is 30. Okay, so now we need to add up all of these areas because we just found the individual areas of each side, but we want to find the total surface area. So you would add up all of those. And that'll give us 258, and this is meters squared. So you could either write it like that, where it's the M for meters, and then the little squared, the little 2 for squared, or you could type it 258 square meters. So you could type out the word square, and that's okay too. And that's it.